Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start at the offending cell, click it and read the formula bar so you see exactly what Excel is using. Once done, check the cell format because text format often prevents formulas from evaluating. Change to general or number as needed. Next, scan for leading apostrophes, extra spaces, or visible typos that break calculation. Making these quick inspections first saves time because many broken cells are just formatted or input issues rather than complex formula faults. You now fix the logic. Press formulas trace precedents to see upstream sources because a wrong input cell causes downstream errors. Then edit the formula, adjusting relative versus absolute references. Use $ when you need a fixed row or column. Use evaluate formula to step through calculation and spot where values diverge. If external links or named ranges are broken, update or replace them. Make sure functions receive the correct types. Numbers versus text will change results and must be You finish by recalculating the workbook and testing various inputs to confirm the fix. Press F9 so dependent formulas refresh immediately. Once results match expectations, validate edge cases like 0, blanks, or negative numbers because these often reveal hidden issues. Finally, document your change in a comment and consider protecting the cell or sheet to prevent accidental edits. If values still look wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: revert to a saved version and compare differences line by line to isolate what introduced.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.